What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to share how to actually build a business on YouTube. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So building a business on YouTube isn't as difficult as you think. Now I'm going to go over a few things that you should be doing if you want to build a business on YouTube, and these four things, is it four or five things that you should be doing, I'm currently doing in my own business, and that's what I'm about to teach you. So let's go over to Funnelytics. Now I drew this up just to give it a bit more visualization, and I can show you exactly what I'm doing and break each one down. So this top one, this is your YouTube channel, and then each one of these right here, your PIMs, that's what I like to call them, and I'll get into that in a second, but these are each individual video. Now PIMs, I call them PIMs because I like to refer to them as passive income machines, because done right, that's exactly what they are. Now in each one of these videos or PIMs, there's multiple ways for you to set up monetization. Now I've got 4 ways here, kind of 5, but 4 main ways, and I do these in my own videos, so let's break them down. Now the first one is to build an email list. So in the description of your video you can have a link to an opt-in so you can build out an email list. So let's break this one down. So let's go over to here for a second, let that load up. So this is what it would look like. So you got your main channel, you got your PIMs, and each PIM, each video, has a link in your description to go through to an opt-in page. Now this opt-in page is designed specifically to collect email addresses. Now let's go over to my opt-in. So this is mine. It says work from home, how to start earning $1,000 per month. Anyone can do this. Then if someone was to put in their email address, that would go straight onto my email list, and on that email list is where I can provide value and sell products to match my audience. So as soon as they've put in their email address, it would go to a thank you page. Then on that thank you page, it would go to a sales page, and at the same time they've been put onto your email list. And in that first email that you want to send out, you can also send them to a sales page. Now with this can be done with affiliate marketing like most people do, or this can be your own product. So all this is completely passive. You've created the video, you've uploaded it, you've done that multiple different times, and each one of these PIMs is going to bring in traffic to that email, your opt-in form, where people sign up and get on your email list. Now this part just here, this is an autoresponder. So you can set up a bunch of different emails which automatically go out every single day. So you got your first one that gets sent out straight away, which you can recommend your own product or an affiliate product. Then the second one, you want to provide value, same with the third, and then the fourth or the third one, you can recommend a product again. And then you can do this multiple different times within that autoresponder. And once they've gone through your autoresponder, you can move them to a separate list called your broadcast list. And with this, you can send out an email whenever you want. That could be recommending your own product or just providing a lot more value. So why do you want to do this and build an email list? Well, with YouTube, you don't actually own your YouTube channel, but your email list, you own that and no one can take that away from you. And you can build that up for years to come, provide a lot of value to your subscribers and make money in the process. Plus, doing this, you're building up another traffic source that you can utilize to make more sales. So that's the first way that you can build a business on YouTube, and one of the best. Again, whether that's with your own products or with affiliate marketing. So let's go back to here again. So that's the first one, an email list. Another way is just send people directly to an affiliate product within the description of your videos. So let's go over to here. This is one of my videos. I recently did this on Creative Fabrica, and if we go here, this link goes straight to Creative Fabrica and it's got my affiliate URL masked within this link. Now, I'm not going to explain how to do that. That could be another video in the future, but I've masked the URL because it makes it look a lot more cleaner and fresh. So before, that would be something like creativefabrica.com/IPZY and God knows what. But doing it this way, it just looks nice and clean. So it's StackinProfit.com/creativefabrica. Now, I don't recommend making videos on products or for affiliate products that you don't use yourself. Just recommend products that you use in your own business or just that you use in general. See, with Creative Fabrica, I really like that platform because they have some amazing graphics on there. That's why I'm recommending this product. So you can create videos around products and just direct link in your YouTube description. So that's the second way that you can build a business on YouTube. So let's go back to here to that little funnel. Now the third way is just having ads on your videos. This is a little bit harder to do because you need to have what is it now, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time before you can even apply for AdSense. Now the good thing about building your email list, selling affiliate products or your own products is that you don't need to meet that threshold. You can literally start from day one recommending affiliate products. Then over time, as your channel grows, you can apply for AdSense and then get ad revenue from the ads put over the top of your videos. So that's 3 ways to build a business on YouTube. The fourth way is simply selling your own products. This can be PDFs, ebooks, courses, but selling your own products is one of the best things you can do. So let's go back over to that video and click show more. If that's going to do that, come on. So right here, normally if there's not an affiliate link up the top, I will have these links right here above the show more button. But right here is a link to my course, and I actually recommend this in most of my videos. If you want to go and check that out, you can go here to printingprofits.com with no G, and this course teaches you how to build a low content book publishing over on Amazon. So right here is my landing page, and if we keep scrolling down you can see what it looks like, and if you click the enroll now button, this just goes over to Gumroad. So I'm going to let that load up for a second. Now with Gumroad, this is where I host my courses. Main reason being they make it so simple for you to sell your products to your following. They take care of all the payment processing and everything else and just send you your earnings every Friday directly to your bank. So if we go here, we can see if someone found my YouTube video and then thought, oh, I like the sound of that course, they're going to click through. they're going to go to my landing page, and then if they like the look of that, they're going to click through to Gumroad, where they can purchase my course. So that right there is just a little sales funnel, and I keep it super simple. Now, doing all of this is how you build a business around YouTube. Now, with my sales page and my opt-in page, these are really simple to do. I just use a WordPress website, and then I use a plugin so I can build these pages called Profit Builder. So I'm not paying for any subscriptions. I'm not paying for ClickFunnels or anything like that. Profit Builder is just a one-off payment as well, and you can have unlimited access to build as many pages as you want on your WordPress websites. So again, really simple. Now, all of this might sound a little bit daunting to you, but once you understand it, it's actually quite easy to build all of this. It just seems a little bit daunting at first. So that is how you build a real business over on YouTube. Now, the last one right here is just Facebook. So with the traffic that you're getting from all your PIMs, all your videos, it's going to get diverted to your email list, affiliate products, AdSense on top of your videos, your own products, but you also want to start building out a Facebook group. So why do you want to do this? Well, it's just another place for you to build a community for your following where you can really interact with that following. Now, if we go back over to that video again, you can see right here below my course is the link to the inner circle, and that is just a private Facebook group which anybody can join. Now again, the point of doing that is because you're building out multiple different traffic sources. You can build them with your email list, then also the Facebook group. And over time, as you create more videos, more PIMs, you're going to get more traffic, you're going to build your email list and your group, and it's all just a snowball effect. Then as it all starts building and you're recommending affiliate products and your own products as well, it's all just a snowball effect. So let's go over to my Gumroad account where I do host my course, and you can see how much I've made in the last 30 days. Now this is a combination from my YouTube channel, direct link into my course, my email list, and also my Facebook group. And like I said, over time it's just going to compound on each other and have a snowball effect. So that's it. That is how you build a real business around YouTube. You can just focus on one of these at a time, and then over time use the combination of all of them together. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.